Hello, this is Dr. Bhushan Shanga. Welcome back. Now today we are going to see how can we use the moving averages for trading. This video I have divided into two parts as it is longer. So what is a moving average? Let us first understand that. Moving average is the average price over a certain period of time. Now moving average may be plotted for days, hours, minutes or weeks, years, whatever you want. Usually moving average we plot for closing price. Now direction of a moving average, that is important. Not the value of moving average, but in which direction is it moving? Is it sloping upwards? Is it sloping downwards? Is the stock above it? Is the stock below it? And that gives us valuable information as to where the stock is likely to go. But in these two videos, I will be discussing one another important parameter, which probably you have not heard about. Okay, so first let us understand what are the types of moving averages. There is a simple moving average, exponential moving average, triangular moving average, and a few other types also. Out of this, I give maximum importance to exponential moving average. See, simple moving average, as the name says, it's simple. You add the closing prices and divide by number of candles. Okay, but that, suppose you are plotting 10 days moving average. So you add 10 days closing price and divide by 10. You get your simple moving average. The problem is yesterday's data and 10 days old data get equal importance in this. In reality, that is not the case. Recent data is more important. So exponential moving average we use, which gives more importance to the recent data, and as the data gets older and older and older, its importance goes on decreasing. So we are not interested in all other types. We will be focusing on exponential moving average. So as I said, simple moving average, for its name, it's very simple. You add the closing prices and divide it by number of candles. Okay, so you get a SMA, simple moving average. Exponential moving average gives more importance to the recent data. Understood? So I will be using exponential moving average in all this discussion. 5 days exponential moving average, 10 days exponential moving average, and 21 days exponential moving average I will be discussing in this video series. 5 day, why 5 day? Because 1 week has 5 trading days. 21 day, why? Because a month has as an average it has 21 trading days. And 10 because it is not only 2 weeks, it's half a month almost, right? So depending on our intentions, we can use either these or others also, but I will be focusing on these three in our discussion. Now I am talking of how far away Nifty goes from a moving average. Now this is a different concept. I know, I understand. Okay, you might not have read it anywhere, but whenever I did research on Nifty movements, I found that yes, there is a relation. Say for example, 5 days exponential moving average. Percentage distance 5%, more than 5% away, up above the 5 days moving average, Nifty has gone only 12 days. Only 12 days since 1st January 2017. Now this is early 2023 when I'm recording this video. So if you see 6 years plus, so 1500 plus days have gone by and only 12 occurrences. Okay, so around 0.84 is the average. 3 to 5% up from 5 days exponential moving average is 3% of times you will find Nifty over there. 2 to 3% less than 6% times. Alright, 1 to 2%, 22.8% times. 0.5 to 1%, 15% times, and 0 to 0.5%, 13% times. Let us talk of downside distance. Downside distance also, if you check, 0 to 5% is 10 times, minus 5%, minus 0.5%, I'm sorry. Minus 0.5 to minus 1% is 8 times, minus 1 to minus 2% is 10 times. And as we go away from the moving average, the occurrences go on decreasing. Okay. So how far Nifty goes away from 5 days EMA? Almost 32% times Nifty closes above 5 EMA by more than 1%. But only 9.5 times percent, 9.5% times it closes 2% away from 5 days exponential moving average. In other words, if Nifty is going 2% away from 5 days exponential moving average, there are almost more than 90% chance that it may not go further. It may come, in fact, either halt or come closer to 5 days exponential moving average. Okay. Same way on the downside, 19% time Nifty closes below 5 EMA by more than minus 1%. But only 9% times it has gone more than minus 2% up. Now, if we see all these together, simple logic anybody can conclude, if Nifty goes up or down 2% from 5 days exponential moving average, it is less likely to continue in the same direction. Simple thing, right? Most probably it will come back towards 5 days EMA, or it may go flat. So 5 EMA climbs and matches with Nifty. The difference between 5 EMA and Nifty will go on decreasing once it reaches somewhere near 2%. So we can conclude that 80% times Nifty tends to be within plus or minus 2% from 5 days EMA. Naturally, it is more logical. Okay, if it is more away, you take position against the Nifty more. Now, this is something against the principle of technical analysis. Technical analysis says if it's a trend, don't go against the trend. But that trend is not going to continue. Very less chance, only say 20% chance it will continue. That also 9% higher side, 9% lower side. Right? So 91% chance in each case that it will not continue. Alright? So if Nifty is 2% up from 5 days EMA, it's logical to be bearish, and if Nifty is more than 2% below 5 EMA, more likely you should be bullish. Of course, this does not include news-based falls like the COVID and all. Okay, where there was severe bear market. So I'm not talking of those conditions when VIX is usually very high. Volatility index. We have a separate video on VIX. In fact, a series of videos on VIX in this course only. So if VIX is unusually high, then this is not applicable. But remember, usually VIX is never that high. Majority of the times it is less than 30, less than 25, and that time this logic is impeccable. Almost always it works. Of course, there are exceptions. I have never said it works 100% time, but 90% good enough in each direction, right? Now, how to trade? On Monday, suppose you sell 2% OTM call and 2% OTM put from 5 EMA. What will happen? Probability is less that Nifty will reach over there. It will remain most probably somewhere in between, especially if 5 EMA is not climbing or falling sharply. Then you are more likely to make money. 50 to 70% times of the time value you get in within 1 week. Next Monday, you cover that and sell it for next Monday, because by then 5 EMA must have moved a little. And actually, you will ask me why to do it on Monday and why not on the expiry day of the week itself. Because on Monday when you do, now in India expiry day is Thursday. So on Monday if you do, 9 days are there to expiry, right? And you get that 2% away options have sufficient time value. If you do it Thursday to Thursday, you will find time value is already very less for that 2% away option. So it's better to do Monday to Monday. Okay, probability of profit is 80% because anyway we have seen 20% cases only it can go either up or down. So when VIX is low, this is a good strategy and works excellent. More about this we are going to learn in the second part of this video. Okay, see you.